Hi. I want to explain about the courses at Eastern and Franklin. These courses, these green courses, are Franklin courses. Anyone who wants to get a bachelor's degree in Franklin has to take these 61 credit hours plus these green classes in here, which is 33. 61 and 33 is 94. Then the student takes these eight courses for total of 30 credit hours, and that gets the person a bachelor's degree. When we add these credit hours, 30 in here, 61 in here at the bottom of here, and 33 here, that becomes 124. That means the bachelor's degree in Franklin requires 124. What the students do is they come here and instead of taking this class at Franklin, they take it at Eastern. Here it is. This is equivalent to this course. Then they take this one, equivalent to this. You have taken all of these, At some point, I said when you get your, batch associate for accounting, you will take math for general education. That is equivalent to this. And you have taken managerial accounting, you are going to take this green course in fall semester. That is equivalent to this course. Then in fall, you will be taking this capstone or internship and one of these, and that's equivalent to one of these, to this course. And also you have taken all of these. And by taking, I told you to take 3 green courses, 1, 2, and then this is the third one. And by taking these 3 courses, therefore, you knock down 3 more classes at Franklin. One of them is this one. One of them is this one. That's what happens in the fall semester when you complete your bachelor's associate in business. Then I ask you to take the blue course, Intermediate Accounting 1. When you take that one, that is equivalent to this course. I also ask you to take extra classes in accounting to get your accounting degree. When you take extra classes, Intermediate Accounting 1, computerized, Intermediate Accounting 2, and computerized, those are equivalent to these elective courses. Therefore, anything you take under business management or accounting program, you will, it will transfer. I had asked you to take personal finance, but instead of that, for now, I recommend take, income tax because, and then that is equivalent to this course. What are these purple courses? These purple courses are the ones that are not part of accounting and business course, which is okay. After you get both of degrees in, let's say spring of next year, in fall of next year, you come back and take these purple courses at Eastern. That way you will have 61 credit hours plus 33. That makes it 94. You will be getting maximum credit hours that you can take at Eastern because these are inexpensive classes and easy for you to pass. 94 credit hours. And then in spring of 2007, you transfer to Franklin, take these 8 classes, and get your bachelor's degree in business. Now your question might be, how would they transfer as a accounting? If you decide suddenly to become accounting, how do they transfer? Here it is. Let's see. This is the accounting program. Exactly similar. Let's see what it is. And as an accounting program, you see that you have taken all these classes. When you are working on your associate degree, you will complete this computerized accounting. That's a part of the accounting that is equivalent to this. Intermediate Accounting 1 that you take as part of accounting is equivalent to this. Then you will be taking income tax accounting. You remember I said instead of personal finance, take intermediate accounting. That is equivalent to this. You have taken all these yellow courses, and all these yellow courses you have already taken. Those are equivalent to these classes in here. Then you will be taking the purple classes at Eastern, which are 4 of them. And then, these 4 Do you remember in the business program, you had to take communications and business, and you will be taking arts and humanities. You already have taken one at your other institution. Therefore, you have all this. And you remember I told you take college math for general education as part of the accounting program. That is equivalent to here. Therefore, as you see, as you notice, is that everything is working, and then these purple ones are elective ones. Suppose if I one day you decide to take this elective, this can be any course. Suppose when it comes to, let's say, spring of next year, for example, maybe suddenly I ask you to take personal finance or anything. It can be anything. Therefore, but here you see 61 here, 3394. After you do that, you go to Franklin and take these 8 classes that are accounting related. And this one also, this one humanities, this one. And then the total will be 124. Therefore, the programs are very similar. Anything you take under accounting and business will transfer to Franklin, either as required course or as elective courses. Also, after you finish your accounting and business programs, you come back fall of next year and you take the purple courses that are called electives. That way you will transfer to Franklin. Many students who transferred, some students transfer to Franklin and they go and become accounting major. When they become accounting major, they get their bachelor's degree in accounting, which by taking this, and then Franklin tells them, oh, if you come back and take 4 more classes, we give you another bachelor's in business management, just like us, that we are giving you 2 associate degrees. They might encourage you to take 4 extra classes, get bachelor's, in addition to accounting, get a bachelor's degree in business, Therefore, that's one option. Some students don't become double major. What they do is that, let's say they quickly finish their bachelor's degree in accounting, then rather than taking those extra 4 courses to get a second bachelor's degree in business, they go to master's degree and they knock down, because master's degree usually, is 30 credit hours, means 10 courses. Rather than taking 4 to get their second degree, they take 4 courses of 10 courses for master's level. They take 6 additional and they get a master's degree in accounting, or instead of that, they get master's degree in business administration, MBA, very valuable degree. And I have one student who went there, got his bachelor's degree from Franklin, and quickly he transferred. Rather than Franklin MBA is a very nice program, very easy to get everything, right there, your transcripts, everything. When you get a bachelor's, you can easily get a master's in business or accounting. But this student decided to get his master's from WVU. Therefore, from Franklin, he transferred to WVU. Now he's finishing his master's in MBA, getting an MBA from WVU. MBA might have a master's in finance, I think it does have. Therefore, these are something you may consider a great schedule. Then I will email you this, we call it articulation agreement we have with Franklin. And I will send you, and we go from there. If you have any questions, and we know what classes to register you for the spring semester, and that was in here. I would say, if you remember, we talked about this course. We have to choose either capstone or internship, and we decided to go with we will go with income tax accounting instead of personal finance, and we register you for this blue course. And then, on a timely manner, you will be able to, in spring of next year, you will be getting, in the fall of this year, you get your associate in business. In spring of next year, you will get your associate in accounting. And then in fall of next year, you take the purple courses. These are almost the same purple courses you saw in business in accounting program. You take this, and then you will, you have completed 94 credit hours at Eastern that transfer both to business management and accounting degree of Franklin University.